Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the founder of Bearable Traders and Peak Capital Trading. I would like to invite all of our members to join our first ever live trading workshop. It's a full day event in Fort Lauderdale in Florida. We're going to have live trading with some of very best traders in the community, walking around you, helping you to make the decisions while you are in the trade and while you are practicing to make you a better trader. After that, we have a half a day of strategy and psychology webinars to help you become a better trader. And obviously after that, we end it with the social. The event is in Fort Lauderdale, Westin. It's a very good hotel. We have a very good discounted price. And I'm really looking forward to see many of our traders are there. This is the first live trading workshop. I'm going to be trading live. Many of our senior traders are coming from all around the country and Canada to trade next to you and help you to become a better trader. If you're interested, sign up bearabletraders.com/workshop. We have few spots left and I'm really looking forward to see as many of our traders in the events. I think it's going to be amazing. Looking forward to see you. Don't forget to sign up.